everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please go ahead and subscribe down to the bottom. Hit that red button right there that says subscribe. You know, just click, click, click. Yeah, okay. But anyways, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you watched it, give it a thumbs down. If you hated it, you didn't like it, go ahead and just do something. All right, so I'm Shquita, and I am going to show you guys my top five favorite luxury clutches. I'm going to start out with Valentino Rockstud bag, and I just love this bag. I contemplated on getting this bag for nearly 6 months because I'm the type of person, when I get a bag, I want a bag to have it forever. I like truly take the time to really look at the bag, go feel the bag, go, you know, pick it up, put it on. And I totally like look at the bag on a website like constantly over and over and over again. Is this going to be the right bag for me? Is this a good purchase? Is this the right decision? Like, I'm very cautious of how I spend my money when I'm shopping for bags. Okay, but this bag right here, this is just darling. I love the studs on it. It's like a little bit edgy, and I kind of like that. I think it's great for an evening night out. And I love how it has like the pop of red in here, and it's like suede, so it feels so nice and smooth. On here you can see like a little bit of the indentations from when the purse is closed like this and it's not being worn. But if you just give it a nice little rub down like that, give it a nice little rub down, they basically go away. And you can just see the marks from my fingers right there. But there aren't, it's not like it's permanent. But I just love, love, love this bag. I love that it has like a detachable strap here if you wanted more room in the bag and you didn't want the strap to be on here. You could easily remove this strap. So, and just remove the stuff like this and just carry this as like a nice clutch this way, this under your arm. So yes, this bag is a great purchase, and I just love, love, love this bag. All right, so moving on is going to be like 16 years old. It's really, really old. It's wallet on a chain, Dior. It's one of my favorite wallet on the chains, and I carry this with me like all the time. So this fits a chapstick, it fits my cell phone in it, and without the case, of course. Okay, so moving on is going to be Chanel. This is a great clutch. I carry this whenever I'm just traveling really, really lightly, going out on errands. It's just wide enough for me to just stick a couple credit cards in, some money in, a chapstick in, and of course if I'm wearing a pair of jeans or something, I just stick my cell phone in my back pocket. I just don't worry about it like that. I wasn't gonna get this bag because they said, well, you know, your cell phone won't fit in it, and I was like, I don't care if my cell phone doesn't fit in it. It is just too cute to pass up, and they were like sold out of these. I had to actually call my sales associate at Wynn and have him take my credit card over the phone and just purchase it that way. But I just love, love, love this bag, and every time I wear it, I get a ton of compliments on it. So this right here was definitely a great buy for me, and the color is just fantastic. Okay, so moving on to my other favorite clutch is going to be, they don't carry these anymore, but this was such a great purchase. I got this 2 years ago for Valentine's Day from my husband, and this is the Celine frame clutch, as it has it's framed out, and it's the pin, I call it the pinwin because it has the black and white on it, and I just think that's so adorable. And this clutch right here fits a ton of stuff. It is that soft leather, and it has a ton of room in it. It has the cards right here. You put the slot for your cards, and it has a chain on it, of course. That's right here. And it's also detachable, and this is just one of my favorite, all-time favorite bags. I just love that it's black and white, and it pretty much goes with anything, and I can wear this with a pair of blue jeans so I don't get any color transfer, which is like really, really nice. And I just think that this is just a great little clutch, and like seriously, one of the most gorgeous bags from Celine, and it's really sad that Celine doesn't carry this bag anymore, and that it's just not, and that their collection completely changed. Because the thing that I fell in love about with Celine was that they had a lot of options for silver hardware, which I loved, because silver hardware is my thing. I am a silver hardware girl. So yes, I love that they had that, and it's really sad and disappointing that everything on their site now seems like it's like has gold and it's chunky and ugly. But yeah, I wish that Celine would have never stepped away from their old bags into like this new era, because I just think that it's just not gonna work. And this is just one of my favorite bags, my little penguin bag. All right, so moving on to number 5, it's going to be my Celine Trendy Walk on the Chain, and it's the seafoam green. Oh, such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And it says Chanel right there. I don't know if you can see, it has a little extra little trendy thing, and it just gives it the bag that extra little pop of cuteness with the little silver. It just makes it shine a little bit more. I prefer the turn clasp up to the little button here, because I feel like this clasp, it holds everything in perfectly, and your bag won't just go popping out. This just opens up, and this is just darling. You can just go ahead and store stuff if you wanted to. Like, I think Chanel used to store love letters or something there, I'm not 100% sure, for like your cards. And then it has like another little slot right here, and then it has a zipper where you can store some more stuff. And I think I have some change in there. I always have a purse with change. Change is just everywhere, a whole bunch of change. And then we have another little pouch thing slot right here. And I just love this bag. This bag, actually, I ruined this bag, and I'll make a whole video about how I had my bag repaired from what it looked like before to how it looks now, or you guys seeing how it looks now. I just wanted to share them with you guys, and let me know what you guys think. Do any of you guys own any of these bags? Who owns a wallet on a chain? Does anybody else have this Rockstud Valentino bag, which is just gorgeous? I've seen it in other colors, and I'm pretty sure there's probably nobody out there that owns the Celine bag. So if you own the Celine bag, please comment below and let me know how these bags are working out for you. And if anybody has a little bag like this that you cannot put your cell phone in, let me know. Comment down below. That would be nice. Thank you for joining me today with my top 5 favorite clutches, and I hope to see you guys again next time.
Yeah, I want it all.